You're promoting your content the wrong way, and today we're gonna fix that. Hey everyone, I'm Neil Patel. Today I'm gonna break down everything that you taught about content marketing promotion is wrong. Now before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and if you're on YouTube, click the alert notification. Question for you, how much time do you spend promoting your content every time you write a blog post? Let me know, is it 5 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 10 hours? Let me know in the comments below. I'm curious. Look, not every content piece is worth promoting. No matter how much cold outreach you do, if your intent is self-servicing, you're not going to get any of the free or paid promotion working well for you. I want you to focus on helping other creators' audience. You want to focus on their audience's pain points, their needs, their wants. And you want to solve the problem in a way that no one else did. You want to turn a written piece of content into data visualization piece. You want to turn a written content piece into video. In other words, you're doing something unique that can help their audience. Let me give you an example of this. Let's say Search Engine Land, which is a popular marketing site, they link to this stat post from Moz or from Ahrefs or SEMrush. If I turn that stat post into a really cool image that helps explain how SEO works, and I send it to Search Engine Land, it helps their reader base. It helps them understand the stats better. They're much more likely to link out to it. So when I do promotion from that aspect, it works out so much better than me just saying, hey, I wrote this piece of content. It's more detailed than my competitors. Please link to it. Well, yeah, it's more detailed than your competitors, but why should I link to it? What's the benefit for me? You have to figure out how to make it beneficial to the other audience. So for example, if you write more detailed content than your competition, and someone's linking to them, and there are articles on how to get more Facebook reach in 2021, and they're linked to it, like, hey, this is how you're gonna improve your Facebook reach. Well, if 2022 is coming up and their algorithms change, or 2023 is coming up, or 2024 is coming up and their algorithm change, then you can talk about their updated algorithms in each one. Same with Google, and you can be like, look, here's what's working these days. Here's the type of content pieces that are working. Here's what's not. Here's an overview synopsis. Here's even a video that gives you an overview. And sending that to people who are linking to your competition, they're more likely to link to you because that benefits their reader base and gives them the latest and greatest. Also, I don't want you to use cold outreach templates. They just don't work. Use your own voice. Understand what works in your templates and adjust to your own personality, your own voice, etc. Promoting your own brand can be more powerful than also promoting your own content. So here's an example of that. You're probably like, Neil, what are you talking about? Promoting your own brand versus your content? See, in content marketing, everyone's like, oh, you got to promote your content. Well, a lot of times I did stuff like I did a Who is Neil Patel campaign. There was a ton of people who are popular all over the world on social media, and they promoted my name. For example, there was this buff dude who probably could bench press like 300 pounds. He put my name on his pecs, and he made him dance up and down on Instagram, posted it, caused a lot of people to get to know me. So now these people know I'm a marketer, and when they want marketing content, they go to me. Even though I'm not promoting a piece of content, it's helping me build an audience, which causes all my content to be more popular. And just posting your content on social media these days isn't enough. You need to tease people and try to negate their pain points. You need to lead with a teaser piece when you're trying to post on social media and have that call to action, so then that way people want to go to your website. So for example, when I post on social media, I'll start with a hook, such as the way you're promoting content is all wrong. Do you want to know how to do it the new way? Well, here's the latest and greatest. You see how I use the hook? That causes people from social to be more likely to go to your website. And by telling people that, or even telling them to check out in-depth pieces on your website from your social channels, that can help a little bit, but it doesn't work as well as that hook that I just mentioned. And you don't want to waste time trying to get the wrong brands to promote your content. If there's an audience mismatch, you're going to be wasting time. You don't want to focus only on the big brands. Go after smaller brands that are in your space. Even niche people don't have a big audience. Something's better than nothing. You want to focus on external content promotion opportunities that make sense, that allow you to build your own community, that allow you to nurture your community with content that only they have access to. For example, I may do a partnership with Entrepreneur, do a webinar tell people about all the latest and greatest on my site, have a landing page for them, tell them about it, collect the email address so that way I can foster and nurture my own community. So if you need help building your own community or promoting your own content because you're not getting the traffic that you want every time you read a blog post, check out my ad agency, NP Digital. Or if you just have any questions on how to fix your promotion, leave a comment below. I'm here to help. If you enjoyed this video, like it, share it, tell people about it. Thank you for watching.